Wow guys, as you can see, malapit na naman tayong mag-withdraw. At ito ay everyday po nakaka-withdraw tayo ng ganito kalaki na Bitcoin. So alam nyo naman, tumataas na ang Bitcoin. As you can see on my screen, it's already $59,323.87 in dollars, BTC versus dollars. At kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano kumita ng Bitcoin everyday, just tune in to the video. Tapusin nyo po ito at don't forget to like, subscribe, and pwede nyo rin po i-share ang video natin. So let's get it on. Okay guys, once again, thank you for tuning in. This is Ron. So, alam ko kung bakit nag-stay ka sa ating video, because you want to earn BTC. As you know, isa ito sa mga currency ngayon na medyo famous, at dahil sa itong cryptocurrency na ito ay nagkakaroon na ng malaking value sa market natin, especially I don't know, siguro may effect yung ating pandemic situation here na kung saan karamihan po we're doing transactions online. At isa sa magandang alternative para isettle yung ating mga transactions, monetary transactions, ay sa pamagitan ng cryptocurrency, because this is only done online. But ang kagandahan sa cryptocurrency, you can convert it to cash. So without further ado, let's get it on. As a brief introduction po sa ating application, number one, the name of the application is CryptoTab. I think some of you guys already know about this application or program. At ito po ay pwede nating i-download sa ating smartphones, pwede sa Play Store, pwede sa App Store. And also, ang kagandahan, pwede nyo rin pong gamitin sa computer. So, ano ba ang choice natin between smartphones or computer? Depende po sa inyo kung alin po ang mas gusto nyong gamitin at alin po ang mas convenient. Number two, alin ang mas malakas ang computing power. Kung yung smartphone nyo po ay mataas po ang CPU power niya po, mas maganda po doon. At kung ang inyo naman pong mga PC or laptop ay mas malakas ang CPU power niya po, ay mas maganda po yung gamitin sapagkat mas mataas po ang inyong makikitain or tinatawag nating hash per second or hash rate per second. So punta po tayo dito sa aking screen. Nakikita nyo po rito ang aking dashboard sa CryptoTab. So madali lang po mag-sign up dito. I-download nyo lang po yung application, and yeah, everything is self-explanatory at madali nyo lang po yung mag-apply o mag-register. Just put in your Gmail or email and you're good to go. So, concerning po, pahapyaw lang po ang aking bibigyan na introduction dito sa CryptoTab, kasi we're going to focus on some of the things that you are seeing on my dashboard. And also, gusto ko lang mag-share initially ng mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa nangyari dito sa aking CryptoTab. And then yung mga ibang intricate details about this will be tackled on my next videos. So, kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng further information dito, you can actually, when you sign up, you can actually see these things, itong mga boxes nito. These are actually informations, there are news about it, yung mga updates tungkol sa nangyayari sa CryptoTab, and Bitcoin informations as well sa market, and also yung mga balita na nakaka-apekto sa pagtaas at pagbaba ng Bitcoin. Okay, so those are the things that you can see here. And also, nandito na rin po yung mga instructions kung paano gawin ang mga bagay-bagay dito sa CryptoTab. Okay? Halimbawa, kung gusto mong mag-share, mag-invite, share personal link. Okay, and then paano ka kikita na mas malaki rito? Yan po yung mga tips. So, okay. Paano mag-withdraw ng funds? So, those things are already nandito po yan. You just need to read it. Okay? But if you have questions, guys, sa comment section, I'm available. I always answer to your comments. And we'll answer them as best as we can. Okay? So, kung mapapansin ninyo po, itong aking dashboard ay there are certain things that needs explanation. For instance, yung mining speed. So, you can reduce the mining speed. It's up to you. But I would suggest and recommend that you would put it on max para ma-maximize din po yung earnings. So, mapansin nyo kapag binababa natin yung ating mining speed, nag-a-adjust din po yung ating hash per rate. So, you might as well put it on the maximum earning rate or mining speed. So, diyan po makikita nyo rin po, kasunod dyan ito, as my cursor is pointing it, yung ating pong hash rate or hash per second. So, ito po yung pinakamaliit na unit na namamine po ng ating CryptoTab. So, I'm at 15,700 plus or running 16,000 hash per second po ang ating namamine. Ito ba ang normal na hash rate kapag nag-sign in ka? The answer is no. So, dito po sa aking cursor, makikita nyo po, I have put in I have signed up for a cloud boost. So, dahilan ko po kung bakit nag-cloud boost po ako is because I want my CryptoTab to maximize yung earning niya. So, may bayad po ito. As a disclosure, baka akalain nyo po libre. So, may bayad po siya. So, kapag in-off nyo po yan, kapag wala po kayong cloud boost, ito po, nakikita nyo po, it's 1,700. So, since naka-cloud boost po ako ng times 10, so it will become like 17,000 or 16,000 like that. So, times 10 always. And ito po ay nire-reset every 3 hours. Pero pag sa phone nyo po, it's just 2 hours. So, magkaiba po yung mobile devices at saka magkaiba rin po yung PC. Alright? So, you might be asking, paano ako magka-cloud boost? So, ano ang mga available offers sa cloud boost? So, this one, may bayad po siya. So, cloud boost feature makes your mining speed 10 times faster kapag 10 times po yung pinili nyo, of course. So, tingin po tayo ng mga ibang options dito. So, number 1, you can pay it with your credit card or not credit card, bank card actually. Debit card, yun, bank transfer, pwede kayo magbayad dyan. Sa akin po, ang ginamit ko po yung Paymaya card ko, which is actually not the physical card itself. I'm using the virtual card. So, pag nag-deposit po kayo around 100 to 200, mag-a-appear po yung inyong virtual card. Pwede nyo na pong kunin yung mga information such as the card number, the name, expiration date, as well as the security number. So, you can make a transaction to transfer fund. Alright? So, or you can pay BTC. So, kung meron na po kayong existing BTC wallet such as coins.ph or Coinbase like that, kung ano po yung mga naipon ninyo po na BTC doon, you can use BTC. So, kaya po nakalagay dito, there are 4 plans. Sabi niya, choose a plan that suits your desired boost performance on the current device. Please note that you can buy as many plans as you need for each device you have and switch boosts between them. So, explain ko lang konti ito. So, it means that 1 boost per device. But you can have multiple device to run yung inyo pong CryptoTab under 1 email. So, sa akin po, meron po akong mobile device. I'm running it but I did not put any cloud boost dun po sa aking mobile device. It's just the normal rate. It's lower than the, kasi medyo mas mababa yung computing power ng aking smartphone. So, you can have multiple devices for one account, but the cloud boost is only available per device. So, kung gusto mong sa cellphone meron din cloud boost, you have to pay another plan fee. So, pag nakaklik po yun sa card, makikita niyo po yung ating 4 boosts plan available. Yung una, yung Lite, which is times 2, Basic, which is times 5, and then Pro, times 10, and Ultra, which is times 15. So, kinuha ko po yung Pro, times 10. And makikita niyo po yung prices kapag nakaklik yung card, it's in peso. So, para sa times 2 or sa Lite, it's 149 peso per month. And then for Basic, it's gonna be 291 pesos per month. And for the Pro, which the one I chose, it's gonna be 574 pesos per month. sorry, excuse me. And the last one would be 1,166 pesos per month para po sa times 15 or ultra boosts. So, pero pag kinlik nyo po yung BTC, makikita nyo po yung amount ng BTC, the equivalent amount of peso sa BTC. Okay? So, just look at my screen na lang po. Yan po. So, yan po yung Cloud Boost. So, question siguro, do I have to get a Cloud Boost? Answer, you don't have to. If you want it just, normal lang at libre, no string attached, no need for you to get the Cloud Boost. Nga lang, syempre, it will take long. But kung gusto nyo mag-invest talaga, gusto nyo siya talagang, karirin, seriously earn BTC, kasi alam natin, the reason why we want to farm BTC and to keep BTC is that alam natin na tumataas ang value ng BTC. There are times na bumababa siya, but dati po, napakalaking ginyant niya from the first time that BTC was introduced to the market. It was just like a little less than $1. Now it's already $60,000. So it is expected na tataas pa po yan as the years progress. So we might as well keep it. So parang investment po ito, lumalaki. And hindi lang po long term. There are those people who are doing what do you call this, trading, and they are actually earning. So I'm actually still studying. Hindi ko naman sasabihin sa inyo na nagtitrade na ako agad. Pinag-aaralan ko pa rin po kasi pera din po ang pinag-uusapan dito. So I'm planning to go to the world of trading ng Bitcoin, but as of now, hindi pa po ngayon. Okay? So anyway, so Cloud Boost, na-explain ko na po. Kung may tanong po kayo, just put it on the comment below. Mining network, yan po yung mga taong na-invite mo, at every time that sila po ay nagmamine, you also earn portion of it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yan po yung mining network ko. Tatlo pong link ang open, so ibig sabihin may mga dyan, pero there are 0 active miners. Hindi po sila ganun ka-active na nagmamine. Perhaps these people, kasi nag-share din ako sa Facebook ko ng link ko, so hindi gano'n nilang naiintindihan. But through this video, you will understand it, and hopefully, kapag kayo po ay nag-sign up under my link, you'll be able to mine with me, and pare-pares po tayong mag-earn. So, ito na po yung balance ko, 0.000, okay, 3850. So, hindi na po kinakount yung 6990 muna, pero syempre, importante pa rin yan. So, approximately, we have 3,850 Bitcoin. So, ang minimum po nito, okay, minimum withdrawal, para ma-withdraw mo po ang Bitcoin is actually 1,000 Bitcoin or 0.00001. Pwede ka na pong mag-withdraw. Alright? So, as you can see po, sa baba niyan, makikita nyo po, mine value, ilan na ang na-mine po. I actually mine 0.0001 or 10,453 BTC, which is equivalent po sa $6.20 to be approximated. Mining network, wala po akong kinita sa mga na-invite ko pa. Hopefully, kapag kayo po ay pares tayong kikita, so kasama rin po akong kikita. Alright, so total earnings po natin is $6.20 as was projected po, 10,453 cents. So, ito po yung aking link, and I will put it on the description. Kung interested po kayo, just click the link para po pare-pares po tayo makinabang. Alright? And ang question nyo po ay paano po ito i-withdraw. Okay. So, i-click nyo lang po itong tatlong line. Okay. Tawag nila ito burger lines, or I don't know. Ito po nasa kanan. Ayan po yung cursor ko. Okay. Pag click nyo po yan, makikita nyo po yung balance, your balance, yung minina mo, yung kanina na kasama ng iyong network and total earnings. And then, nakikita mo rin yung speed mo. You just click the withdraw BTC and it will route you to another page or another window and it will show you your current withdrawal request. Iyan po yung current withdrawal request ko. Yung naka-project po roon dito kanina is actually yan na po yung may na-withdraw na po ako dyan at ang amount po noon is 3,112 BTC. So, ibig sabihin, mga 700 plus, yun pa lang na ano ko with as I started today again. Kaya sabi niya, you don't have enough BTC available for the minimum withdrawal of 0.0001 or 0.00001 or 1,000 BTC. So, para malaman niyo po, totoo ba na tayo po ay nakakapag-withdraw dito, I'll click the payment history and you can see po yung payment history natin. Alright? So, makikita nyo po sa payment history, nandiyan po yung address kung saan ko po withdraw ito. This is actually my cryptocurrency wallet address or BTC wallet address, coins.ph to be exact. So, pag kayo po yung nag-withdraw, he will ask, gawa tayo ng video ng actual withdrawal para makita nyo po. But this is proof enough na makikita nyo po, I'm withdrawing almost every day ng ating BTC at iba-iba po yung aking mga withdraw. So, yan po yung ating payment history. So, if you're interested po na to learn more about this, just comment below and also watch out for my added video para hindi masyadong mahaba itong ating pag-uusapan o yung ating video. So, just watch out for my other videos about this, yung mga improvement natin at ano ba mga tricks natin para mas mapabilis yung ating crypto tab. Yung iba po, as you watch other videos, meron po silang mga tinatawag na farming talaga. Marami silang mga cellphones na ginagamit just to farm for BTC. Okay? So, talagang pinag-uukulan nila at pinag-i-spendan ng pera para lamang po sila makapag-mine. Kasi nga po ito ay parang virtual gold. Okay? Parang virtual gold. Parang ginto sa loob ng internet. Kasi po, tumataas ang value niya. So, para po kayo nag-i-impok ng ginto sa virtual world. Maaaring hindi nyo po mahawakan ngayon, pero pwede nyo po mahawakan. So, pakita ko lang po yung ating coins.ph. Okay? So, yan po yung mga nilalaman po ng ating coins.ph. So, marami na po kasi akong na-withdraw, kaya yan na lang po laman natin sa. So, ang mangyayari ito, pag galing ka sa BTC, okay, i-convert mo lang yan sa peso. Pag na-convert mo na siya sa peso, then, pwede nyo na po siyang i-cash out. Okay? Pag magka-cash out ka, marami pong paraan. Pwede kang mag-cash out sa LBC, Palawan, and Blue Wheeler, pwede po yan. So, marami pong paraan para po yan ay maging cash na talaga. So, ngayong pandemic, kung may internet naman po kayo, may computer kayo, kaya may cellphone kayo, mas maganda po, mga passive income po. So, yan na lang po muna sa ngayon. And watch out po sa ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo po yung inyong pinanood, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Kung mahilig po kayo sa mga ganitong video. At marami pa pong mga earning sites or earning applications po akong tinatalakay sa aking channel. At kung may time pa kayo, buksan nyo po yung playlist ko. Marami pa po tayong mga videos doon. Once again, this is Ron from G-Ron TV. At be safe po tayo and have a great day. Bye-bye.